This is one of the world's most interesting plants. Most people these days know it. It's a plant called aloe vera, and you see this around so many people's houses. Now, it's obviously many people claim it does all sorts of things. In fact, it has been used in medicine, traditional medicine, for thousands of years. There is no doubt that this particular plant has both antifungal and antibacterial properties. Now, if you've got a burn or a cut and you rub the gel-like, the mucilage stuff from inside the stems onto a recent burn or a recent cut, one, it does definitely help healing. Great pot plant because it doesn't mind drying out. In fact, it really resents getting too moist around the base. It's a great pot plant. You just get yourself some ordinary good quality potting mix, Standards Association ticked, and you add about 3 parts of potting mix to about 1 part of a nice washed river sand. We'll actually keep a little bit back just for the top of the pot. We just mix them together. This is a full sun pot plant, so don't go putting it in a shady spot. There are some interesting things about it. Although medical authorities say you shouldn't consume the fresh juice, that is, eat it or whatever. It can be cooked up. In traditional Chinese medicine, they actually strip off the green bits and take out the pith, the bit in the middle, with a lot of the mucilage, the gel, and they cook that up. They boil it. In the preparation, they also add honey, mainly because aloe vera's mucilage and pith is actually rather bitter tasting. And then it is refrigerated for a couple of hours, and it's actually taken as a tonic. And the interesting news lately is that they're actually now starting to make clothing apparel, well, undergarments, that actually are impregnated with aloe vera.
Anything with aloe vera is generally known to be fairly gentle.
We've actually got aloe vera here that's been cooked up.
Cooked
This is
up,
a Chinese
or-
preparation of aloe vera. And for what it's worth, yes, I've already had some.
Have you?
Yeah.
Wow. I was not expecting that. That's fairly decent. If it's going to do great things, well, hey.